Understanding, sum it up, a simple guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, sum it up. Understanding phrases like this is key to sounding natural in English, so let's dive in. Sum it up is a phrase used when someone wants to describe the main points of something in a brief and concise way. It's like taking a long story or a complex idea and condensing it into its essential elements. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, meetings, and even in academic settings. The phrase, sum it up, comes from the mathematical term, sum, which means the total amount resulting from the addition of two or more numbers, amounts, or items. In a non-mathematical context, it means to express the essence of something by mentioning its main points. You'll hear it in different contexts. 1. In conversations, can you sum up the movie for me? 2. In business meetings, let's sum up the main points of this meeting before we conclude. 3. In academic discussions, to sum up our discussion on Shakespeare. 1. After a long debate, the chairperson said, to sum it up, we need to invest more in marketing. 2. During the book review, she asks, can anyone sum up the plot in a few sentences? 3. To sum up, there are 3 main benefits to this approach, the professor explained. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to indicate a conclusion or a brief overview. Don't confuse sum it up with giving detailed explanations. It's about being brief and to the point. Avoid using sum it up when you haven't provided any prior detailed information. It's used to conclude or recap. Remember, it's sum it up, not sum up it. The placement of it is crucial. Now, let's practice. Try to sum up a recent event in your life or a story you know in just 2 sentences. Share it with a friend or in the comment section. And that's it. Sum it up is a handy phrase to know and use in English. We hope this video helps you understand and use it correctly in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to sum up what you've learned today. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.